probably already noticed this, but after a few false starts, virtual reality is here, in a big way. We have headsets that range from smartphone-powered devices like the super cheap, assemble-it-yourself Google Cardboard to the free if you buy a Galaxy phone, Samsung Gear VR, to more powerful, more immersive systems that connect to a desktop PC like the Oculus Rift or even the HTC Vive. Now, what all these have in common is that by putting an opaque display in front of you that presents stereoscopic 3D, they create the illusion of putting you inside a world. All 360 degrees of it. Look up, you see up. Look behind you, you see behind you. But more and more, some people are convinced that VR is only part of the puzzle, and maybe not even the most immersive one. That's where augmented reality and its cousin mixed reality come in. Where VR puts you inside an artificial environment, AR and MR bring artifice to your natural surroundings. Augmented reality can be as simple as having a visual
humans
overlay
can't stand,
on your world.
it's the actual physical.
A speedometer that displays on your windshield, say, or even Snapchat's face swap. But when that overlay becomes a virtual object, one that you can interact with, then that becomes mixed reality. And mixed reality is what Microsoft's HoloLens and the ultra-secretive Magic Leap have been working on. It can let you interact with fictional characters in your own living room, follow the progress of a loved one, or just turn your environment into the greatest workstation imaginable. Now, affordable and easy mixed reality is still a few years away. It's a much more complex and data-intensive endeavor than VR, necessitating a truly insane amount of processing. But it promises to bring about the convergence of VR and AR, and that blend of reality and illusion could well be what our world will ultimately look like.
Cara VR is our plug-in toolset for new.
Modo 12.1 now has an integrated VR layout. Going into this layout will initialize a connect.
It starts with a question.
Load women size 8.
Followed by an idea.
There's one of these that I think you just really need to see live. Now, Wingnut AR is director Peter Jackson's new production company. It's dedicated. There's one of these that I think you just really need to see live.